everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1967 Pontiac GTO. This is a PHS documented car, true 242 GTO. Great car, guys. I originally bought and sold this car in 2018. It's about a, I think, 12, 14-year-old frame-off restoration. Very nicely done. Very well maintained. It's got, I think, just under 10,000 miles on the resto. And, man, just a good car. Of course, I love this body style. 67 GTOs are just killer cars. It's got brand spanking new BF Goodrich Silvertown radial red lines. Those were $1,300 with the factory rally 2 wheels. Car's got air. It's got the matching numbers drivetrain in it. Good car, man. Runs and drives out really good. Good, solid, straight, original South Carolina body. And again, we do have the PHS for it, so good car. A few little things you can kind of nitpick as we walk around. You'll see it. A couple little touch-up marks as you'll see in the paint. Like all of them, you can always nitpick something. You guys have heard me say that a million times. They've definitely replaced the bumpers, front and rear on this car. They're very nice. You can see the trim and the stainless is nice on the car. Paint slick. Dual chrome mirrors. Touch-up mark. Glass is nice on the car. This is the factory color combination, which I really love with the red lines. Factory Cameo Ivory white. It's got it's a factory blue interior, although it's all got all brand new legendary interior in it when they restored the car with those red lines. I think that's beautiful. The trim on this car is very nice. The stainless around the windows and stuff. You can see that package tray. It's really nice in the car. Body-wise, I know they put a trunk pan in the car, but I think the rest of the car is actually original panel car. Really good car. Again, you look at this stuff, it's really nice. Looks like it's got the original taillight lenses. You can pick at those a little bit. Again, this stuff is very, very nice. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, bumpers really nice on the car. Undercarriage on the car is nice and clean. Yeah, I couldn't believe how much those red lines were. Almost $1,300. And they are brand new. They've got about 5 miles on them with the correct Rally 2 wheels, the PMD caps and lugs. They've upgraded it to front disc brakes. We know it's a matching numbers car. The reason we know that is because we have the PHS for the car, and the unit number is on the PHS, which you can match to the front of this block. Brand spanking new Old Air Products compressor. You can see they've upgraded it to a aluminum radiator. It's got dual electric fans, 400 turbohydramtic trans, power steering, power front disc brakes, ice cold air. I think it said 400 turbo trans. Factory chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Boy, I like these cars, man. GTOs are tough. So cool. Especially this body style. I love that front grille on these cars. A-pillar chrome looks good. I'm picking a little, definitely original mirror. Stainless here looks pretty doggone good. Couple little marks in it. Door handles. This might be original. Nice clean door seams. All this interior, I believe, is brand new when they restored the car. Carpet's definitely new sill plates. They've got the correct rubber mats in it. Those are doggone expensive. Factory bucket seats, very rare factory headrest option car. You do not see that very often. Seats. Factory bucket seats. It's got the wood grain center console. It's got the optional His and Hers Hurst dual gate shifter. You can see it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Headliner's nice, beautiful interior. I mean, that is a slick interior. Sport steering wheel is very nice. 97, about to turn 9760 on your odometer. That is since the restoration, so almost 10,000 miles in the resto. They put some aftermarket gauges underneath here. Looks like a plug-in for probably an iPod. It's got a Retrosounds radio. I couldn't get that to come on. I know the air blows ice cold. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. Factory 10-bolt Safe-T-Trac rear end. Jack with spares here in the trunk. It is all spackle coated in here. Guys, sorry. Again, it's all spackle coated. They did put a trunk pan in it, but it's all spackle coated in here. Like I said, I believe the rest of the panels are original. There's your PHS. Again, the unit number is available on this car, so you can check it up against it. But there's all your PHS for the car. Good car, solid car. I think if you're looking for a real nice straight driver, I think you'll really like this car. Clean underneath, as always. There's multiple photos we put underneath of the cars. Always show you the floors and stuff like that. Car's clean. Again, door seams are nice and clean. Door pads are really nice. That's a nice interior right there. They have definitely repadded and refoamed these seats. Did a very nice job at that. Wood grain looks good. Looks like your interior lights and stuff like that are working. I bet you these are original door handles. Good sound. Here Nathan just fired it up. Just get your air on. Again, it blows ice cold. Nice and smooth. I mean, runs out good. Of course, I love that front end on these cars, man. That front grille is killer. Love that. Fuel gauge is down here. It works. I think everything is down here. Oh, you can feel that air blowing nice and cold. Like a GTO should. Yeah, I couldn't get the radio to come on and get it. Oh, air's blowing nice and cold, I'll tell you that. Turnkey, go cruise, man. Good car. It's actually flashing there. I think we got a bulb issue in there. We'll check it. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep track of us is our TikTok, our Facebook, our Instagram. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.